Number 1. Start the gas chainsaw correctly. Press the primer bulb 4 times. Make the primer bulb full of gasoline, and pull out the choke lever. Press upward, switch on. Pull the starter handle 2 to 3 times. Push in the choke lever. Pull the starter handle 3 to 6 times to start the engine. Number 2. Troubleshooting of inability to start, leading to flooded cylinder. When you follow the instruction on how to start, pull many times, the gas chainsaw cannot start. There may be a flooded cylinder engine, excess gasoline in the cylinder, blocking the normal firing of the spark plug. The solution. 1. Push the choke lever in. 2. Turn off the switch. 3. Pull the starter handle for about 10 to 20 times. Drainage of excess fuel. 4. Turn on the switch and pull the starter handle again.